Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. In a previous video we showed you how to use your DZ09 smartwatch. Today we're going to put a memory card in it and see if we can get some music on it. Now, I don't have a SIM card, so we can't get online, but we can get some music going, I think. Okay, before we put this memory card in the watch, we're going to try something. Here's the card. Just go a little holder right there. I'm going to plug it in my laptop, and I'm going to put a song on it. See if we can get it to recognize it after we put the card in the watch. Here's one that I know is not copyrighted right there, so we'll just drag it over there and copy it. Okay, there it is. We're done. Let's remove the card. There we go. Now we'll go to the watch and put the card in and see how it works. Okay, here's your watch. Over here on the side where you charge it, there's a little slot right there. You can put your fingernail in there and pull that loose. Come down there like that. The back comes right off, see? Now, on your battery, you're going to have to take it out. There's a little slot right there. You can put it in and pull the battery out just like that. Okay? Now, this is the slot for your SIM card. This is the slot for your memory card. So what we're going to do is put that memory card in there just like that. Okay, we got that in. Now we got to put the battery back in. Alright. Right there. The battery is in. Now, right here. Snap your back on. There it is. Alright. Turn the watch back on. There we go. Smartwatch right there. Alright. Now, let's go to the menu. Let's find the music player. Bluetooth right there. Let's see if we can find that. There we go. It says it's empty. It didn't find it, I guess. Options. Add. Right there, cruising's the one we put in. If I can get to it. Done. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Done. Back. Cruising. Let's see if it'll play it. Volume up. Volume down. Oops. There it is. See, it's playing it. Hear it? So all we did was add the song to the memory card before we put it in the machine, then told it to go find it. And it worked. There we are. Okay, let's go back. There we are. That's how you put the memory card in. Then we'll try a little Bluetooth here in a little while, see if we can Bluetooth the song over to it. Alright, now we're going to try a little Bluetooth. See if we can get a song over there to it. If I can find a song. We'll go turn on our Bluetooth on the phone. Right there. Turn on Bluetooth on the watch. Menu. Bluetooth right there. Turn it on. Okay. Connecting. Okay, we're on. See? There we are. Now let's go back. Set the watch right here for a second. Let's see if I can go find some music. Go in here, apps, my files, audio. See if we can find something here that's not copyrighted. How about that one, Over the Horizons? There, we'll do a, go with Bluetooth, send it to DZ09. Okay, is it sending? Yes, it is. It says here, accept object exchange from me, from Wayne. There we go. Hit that and tell it okay. It's Bluetoothing. Send via Bluetooth right there. Sending the file over. It'll take it just a few seconds here. But the watch is, we'll see if it accepts it. If it does, we'll play it. It's called Over the Horizons. This is one of the ringtones that comes with the phone, so it's not going to be a copyrighted thing, I don't think. We can play it and just see if it works. Almost there, 94, 95, 97, 98, 100%. File transfer, okay. Let's go see if we can find it here on the phone. Let's go find our player here, right there. Sometimes I have a little trouble getting it to do something. There it goes. Okay, let's go find a song here. Options. Add. Received. I guess that's the one I just received. Yes, it is right there. Okay. It's done, it says. Now let's go back. Cruising, recede. Right there is the song. You hear it? That's the one we sent over on Bluetooth. So you can Bluetooth it also. Or you can take the card out, put it in your PC, and put it on songs on the card, and then put it back in your watch. So there it is. That's a pretty good little idea. I like that. Do it. Two ways of doing it. So that's how you add music to your DZ09 watch. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Please check out our other videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.